Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moin. I'm back again with another video. So it is currently September 3rd, 2024, 6:20 a.m. right? So I just took this trade on gold and I'm gonna break down why I took this trade. So overall, if we go to the high time frame, we can see that we're still at all-time highs, but price is pulling back now. Cool. But to the daily, price is in this consolidation stage right here. So my analysis for the week is that we're gonna start heading bearish. But market can still do whatever it wants to do, right? So I go down to the lower time frame. I go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, as you can tell, we're bearish, but currently we're bullish because we just broke above here. So what I do, I found an order block from yesterday, and I was waiting for it to pull back yesterday. It didn't pull back yesterday, but it just not pull back this morning. So I waited for the rejection from this area of interest, which price gave me. Now I could have taken the trade all the way up here when the rejection happened, but I needed to wait for the shit, the structure to tell me, okay, we're ready to go to the downside. So that's what I did on a 15-minute. I waited for price to close below here. When it did, I took the trade. So currently we're up $100. I'm gonna move. So I put my stop loss all the way up here. But I'm thinking about moving it down here, just because, like, based on how this candlestick closed, then I'm gonna move my stop loss down here. But yeah, so we took the trade, we're in this trade. If we lose, well, I guess we lose. If we win, then we win. That's just it. I'll update you guys, yeah, later on during the day when the trade is over. So, yeah. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Moin. I'm back again with another video. So it's currently still Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024, 9:13 p.m., right? So I should have recorded this video a while ago, but I got busy with work and life and gym, all that stuff, right? So let me just break this down, right? So as you can tell, we lost the trade. Now, this is not how we lost the trade, and I'm gonna explain to y'all why we lost the trade, how we lost the trade, and then at the end of the video, I'm gonna explain to you my thought process and what I learned, right? Something that I learned. Cool. So if you saw in the previous clip, you can see that we took the trade and we put our stop loss at 52 something. It was at 52, like 25, 52 something, right? Cool. But then I did say that I wanted to move my stop loss down, which I ended up doing to, I'm pretty sure it was 51.20. Yeah, I ended up moving my stop loss down to 51.20, like I said I would. So cool. Let me just show you. Actually, it's right there. Cool. So what does price do? Price is flowing. Cool. I'm up like 1%, $1,000 ish, right? I'm up. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm just letting it flow. My take profit is down here. I'm gonna just flow it, right? Let it do its thing. Price started pulling back, having this strong pullback right here. So what I do with my trading plan, it says if price is having a strong pullback that's going against my analysis, and I could be wrong, cut my losses early. Literally says cut my losses early. So what I do, I follow my trading plan. I cut my loss early because price was having this big put. Like literally, y'all see this. Actually, let me. Can I hide this real quick? Yeah. Cool. Sorry. So price was having this big pullback right here. So what I do? Hold up, can I open this back up? Cool. So price having this strong pullback. What I do? I went to Trade Locker and I closed my trade out. So we are down $600. I did risk 2%. I put 2,000 in this, but since I moved my stop loss down, it got to like 1,500. Price was pulling back, so I closed the trade early, right? Cool. Now, I was mad at myself for two. I was happy, but I was also mad at myself, right? I was happy because I followed my trade plan. Price was pulling back, give me a strong pullback. I was like, okay, cool. I guess I could be wrong. The weight's pushing back. It might go against me. I'm just cut my losses short. Cool. I'm also mad at myself because if I had left my stop loss at 52 something like I did, price would literally just pull back here and then flow directly down to my take profit. And yes, it didn't hit my take profit, but guess what? I probably would have closed out when it started pulling back. I would have closed out, and let partials and let the rest run, or literally look. If my stop loss is up here, price literally would have pulled back again, would not have wicked me out, and then went straight down to my TP. Literally, bro. So that's why I was mad at myself all day. And this happened at work. So when I got out of work for lunch, I got on my chart, I got my phone, and I see, oh man, Like literally, if I had my original stop loss, like I originally planned, I would have won this trade. I literally would have won this trade, right? Not only that, but I missed out on all this profit. Like, are y'all serious right now? And I was mad at myself. I really was. So the rest of the day, I was thinking to myself, like, okay, why did I move the stop loss? Okay, the trade was flowing in my direction. I just felt like, okay, cool. I'm gonna just move my stop loss down. So price reverses on me. Cool. I won't lose as much. Why am I scared of not losing as much? Because I'm scared of losing. Why am I scared of losing? Why do I put on the position size if I'm scared of losing? That's not the right mentality to go into this trade, right? But I'll talk more about that later in the video because I had a moment that opened my eyes to something, right? Cool. So obviously price pulled back and did whatever. So yeah, really good trade. If I had my original stop loss, and I did change it, I went to the library. I changed my rules up a little bit. I reprinted it. So I said, place your stop loss somewhere that you know if price goes there, you're wrong, and do not change the stop loss. Yes, you guys are gonna say break even. No, do not change your stop loss. Sorry, I'm breaking now. Sorry. Cool. Now, what pissed me off is lately, you guys know I've been trading gold and silver, and silver has been giving me good opportunities, back to back to back to back to back. And guess what I do? I don't pick it. I really don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't. Like, I was thinking about this. Look at this. Silver literally pulled back to the area that I want to take it from. Look, my alarm is still there. Literally the area that I want to take it from. Pull back there. Gave me a strong, look, 5 minutes. Gave me a strong entry signal. But at this point, I was already at work. So I didn't even have my phone. So I can't even blame myself. I didn't have my phone on me at this point. Price pullback gave me a strong, good entry. And I missed out on this trade. Not only would this have been a beautiful trade, but if I was on the chart on my phone, I would have caught this. Literally, this is a 1 to 9, 1 to 10. Right? Easy trade. And silver gives me good setups, and I don't take them. I always focus on gold. I don't know why, and I'm gonna fix that. Like, I'm tired of this. And look, there's gonna be a setup with silver just now. So there's a 1 hour order block right here, but I can't take it now. Why? Because the 4 hour is about to close. So this 4 hour is most likely gonna close like this. The next one is gonna open, wick in, which is on the lower time frame. It's gonna come retest the area resistance, retest the EMA, and then that's when we'll have the potential drop. And then I'm looking to take it to this area right here. If you go on daily, it's a strong area right here. Cool. So I'm ready to take the trade all the way down here. If not, then we'll just wait in the morning and take a trade. But silver presented me with a good trade opportunity today, and I didn't take it. One, I was at work. I didn't have my phone on me. And two, I don't know. I think I'm gonna start using like stop limits and buy limits and sell limits and stuff, because if I'm that confident in my analysis, I should be able to do that. So price comes to this area, enter me in a trade, cool. I put my stop loss here, put my entry here, cool. Take profit there. So that's one thing I learned. But yeah, this thing on gold pissed me off because literally, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've been trying to implement SMT divergence in my trading. I know you guys are like, what's that? It's when there's two pairs that are correlated or like they move similarly, right? And you can kind of tell when, like, if one is going up and the other is like still going down, then you know that the one, like, let's say the trend. Okay, this is how you use it, right? This, so far, that's what I've learned. I'm still watching YouTube videos on it, and I'm still learning from it, right? So what I've learned is, let's say I come to the market, right? Cool. I'm looking to sell on gold, and I'm looking to sell on silver. They move similarly, kind of in the same fashion. I'm looking to sell overall. Now, cool. Now I go on gold, and what do I see? Hold up, 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute time frame, right? I come to gold, and I see what's happening. Okay, cool. Price is having the big sell-off right here. Cool. What am I goal? I'm trying to sell. Price is having this big push right here. Now on silver, while that is having the big push, price is slowly pulling back to the area, to the order block that I want to. So what does that tell me? Gold is already making a push. So now silver is the lagging pair. So now I'm expecting silver to fall as well. And silver is bearish overall. So I'm definitely looking to sell on it. All I could have done is wait patiently instead of taking the one on gold, which honestly, it was a good trade on gold. I just needed a higher stop loss and to just let the trade play out, trust my analysis. But I could have just waited patiently on silver for it to pull back to its area of interest, because I know gold is already making a move. It's already selling off. Silver is moves similarly to gold and is bearish. Both are bearish. So I'm looking to sell off overall. All I have to do is just wait for it to come back to the order block give me an interest signal, take the trade, cool, boom. So this is a prime example of SMT divergence. This is the first one that I've seen. Sorry. I'm gonna keep looking, I'm gonna keep practicing, right? So now let me talk to you about this gold trade and what I learned, right? And I learned this in traffic earlier, actually. So I was in traffic. Here, let me just make this bigger. So I was in traffic, and it was like a highway, or yeah, highway, and I was on the side, right? So it looked like a T, right? So this is the highway right here. This is the highway right here, and I'm right here. So I'm trying to get on the highway to go this way, right? But it's traffic. There's a lot of traffic. There's cars coming that way, the way that I'm trying to go. So there's cars, there's a bunch of traffic, and I can't tell if there's a car coming. So I see like 5 cars go by, and then I wait about 10 seconds, and I don't see any more cars. Like I'm looking over the traffic, I don't see any more cars. So what I do? I was like, you know what? Do I want to take this risk right now? Just go. And guess what? I just took it. I pressed the gas. I just went into it, and I took it. Now, that's good and bad, right? That's bad because let's say a car was coming and I didn't know, I would have gotten hit. That's not good. But, I mean, that's not good. Yeah, that's bad. But the good side of it, which actually helped me and gave me like a moment, is that you gotta take the risk. You really do. Like, I didn't see any cars coming. Maybe I could have been wrong. There could have been a car coming. I don't know. But I took the risk and went into traffic like that. And if something had happened, I could have been injured or hurt. That's cool. I mean, that's not cool. That's not cool. That is not good. That is not good. I could have been injured. That's not good. But it got me thinking about trading. When I take a trade and I lose, it's okay. Nothing happens to me. I just lose money. That's it. That's literally it. I'm wrong and I lose money. Literally, it doesn't affect me. So why am I scared of taking trades? Why can I take risk in real life, but I can't take risk on the charts? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. In real life, there's consequences to something when you do something. In trading, the consequences, you're gonna lose. But losing doesn't do anything to you. It doesn't hurt your legs. It doesn't affect you. All it does is it stops you, right, from taking the risk. So that's one thing I learned, and I would definitely be applying it the next few days. If I see a setup, I'm taking the setup. Like this one in silver, beautiful setup, by the way. Beautiful. I was gonna take it when the shit the structure happened. Look, the structure happened right here. But on a 1 hour, we're about to close like this. And then like I told you, 4 hours about to close. So whenever the 4 hour opens, it always wicks up a little bit to retest and then continues to the downside. So I have to wait patiently. That's the thing with trading. You need to be patient. So that's one thing I learned. Take the risk. All you're gonna lose is money. All you're gonna lose is money. And I was mad at myself because literally this one trade, these 2 trades could have helped me pass my funded account. But hey, can't change it. It's in the past. All I can do is move on and learn from it. So trust me, I'm gonna come out to the markets. I'm gonna work harder, wait for my setup, be patient, practice proper risk management, and take the risk, bro. Everything I want is on the other side of fear. And fear is nothing. Fear is like air. It just flows. Like let it go. Fear, why are you letting it stop you, right? So yeah, I'll update you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, I did post the trades that I wanted to take. I literally put them in the Telegram channel. The link in the description below. I know you guys were asking about it. But yeah, I literally put my analysis in there. I'm about to put my analysis for tonight. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And God bless you, man. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay consistent. And remember, the magic you're looking for isn't the work you're avoiding. So just get to work, man. Get to work.